Let's make ube cheese Halaya Pandesal together. Pandesal is this beautiful enriched sweetbread from the Philippines, and in this version it's filled with Halaya jam, which is purple sweet potato jam, and traditionally cheese, although I'm skipping the cheese today for my kids' sake. First, activate the yeast, and then add warm whole milk, butter, sugar, salt, ube halaya or purple sweet potato jam, and ube extract. Add 2 eggs and then mix it up in your stand mixer. Then add the flour. Both bread flour and all-purpose flour is used in this recipe. Mix in your mixer for 10 minutes and then let rise for 1 hour at room temperature. It also helps to do an additional resting period in the fridge to get it nice and cool before working with it. Scale to 100-gram portions and roll out each portion into a ball with seam side down on your counter. After scaling, let them rest for 5 minutes and then begin to flatten out one round at a time. Add 1 tablespoon of halaya jam to the middle and a cube of cheese if you wish, then bring up the edges as if drawing up a coin purse. Roll them out in breadcrumbs, which is the traditional fashion. Place a 1/2 inch apart on a parchment-lined pan and then proof for half an hour while you preheat the oven to 350. Okay? And enjoy. All yours. Plate.